OXFAM also is a development partner who has been assisting both in the monetary aspect to the needs among the community who has mostly been affected by the insurgencies that took place some years back, let's say 2015, 16 and 17. And now the German government is assisting now GIZ with a development plan that will help rebuild some of the destruction carried out by the insurgencies.
The project is aimed at improving social cohesion through community development planning approaches across 16 wards of Michika. As you are aware, Michika is one of the worst hit local governments in Adamawa state in terms of when during the insurgency attack. So that is one of the reasons why Michika is selected as part of early recovery or a recovery effort from the attack of the Boko Haram insurgents in Adamawa state. Yeah, and the project is actually leveraging on the citizens' engagement and participatory planning policy, which was recently passed by the Adamawa state government, geared at ensuring that development initiatives are guided and driven by community people by themselves.
This program is actually a consultative workshop and also a capacity building training for senior government officials in Michika on monitoring and evaluation of this community development plan, which was actually developed and reviewed and also validated. So why we're here is that, okay, Michika Local Government has a plan, has a community development plan. How can they monitor it? How can they be able to track some of those projects, some of those priority needs that they've been identified? So that's why we're here. So two things. First is to have a consultative forum with key stakeholders to look at some of those indicators, look at some of those key areas that they need to track and monitor, and then also build the capacity of the managers of this framework. So we're developing a framework and then also building the capacity of the managers of this framework. So that's why we're here.
I will still go to my community, to my village, to enlighten them more about what I have learned here, and to still encourage them that what they are planning to bring to them is real.